Good morning, everybody. This is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. So I thought one of the things we could do today was just go and take a look at what items we offer on our website. So we are still kind of evolving, but one of our staples is our red rubber stamps. Now, we offer two different styles. We offer the red rubber without a handle, which is just called our wood block, or we offer it with a handle. All of them are professionally created. We have a machine that does all of the beautiful engraving that you see. And as the owner artist of the company, I can draw something custom for you. We could work with your logo. If you're a small business, we can make you a custom stamp for the back of your cards. And you can see they all have a nice foam riser on there so that when you stamp, it gets a really crisp image. And again, this is what it looks like for the woodblock version. And I can do a double engraving. It does cost a little bit more, but we can do that if you want a thicker impression. We do a lot of that for people that cook. So if you do cooking or anything like that and you want to make cookies where you could actually stamp an image in there, just ask us for the double, the cost on the double, and we could do that for you. So all of our custom stamps are out on our website under custom stamps. We do both geocaching and custom, but let's look at custom first. We do the wood blocks. We also do self-inking. So you just have to choose the right listing. But you can see we make them for a lot of small businesses. And then basically what you do is just choose the size. And if for some reason you're not sure, I do have a link on there where it says email me. Just toss me an email. I'd be more than happy to take a look at your image and suggest a size. Obviously, I will also suggest based off the project you're working on. You can see there's self-inking. We also have a bunch of designs that are already made. So basically what you do is if you say, oh, I love this design, you know, this Little Mermaid inspired design. We take your information and I will customize the stamp for you. Basically, you place your order and then we email you out a proof, and that email will tell you here's what the design looks like. You approve that, and then I go ahead and take it to production. Now, we also offer custom geocaching stamps, and these are all self-inking. For 2021, we have a new series coming. I'm so excited. New designs, new look, new feel. For those of you who don't know what geocaching is, basically there are all kinds of little things hidden all over the world, and you go and find these books and you sign your name on them. It's a lot of fun. Definitely go take a look at their website. This is one of the samples you can see. We can use the stamp right in the logbook, and then everything matches. And if you have a custom name, I can match it as well. The other thing we love is our photopolymer stamps. I have a series out there right now. We have over 75 stamp sets in stock. Definitely go take a look. This is one of my favorites. My stepdad loved to take us fishing at Phantom Lake, and so that's what this one is called. But if you search for fish stamps or fishing, it'll show up as well. A couple of those links have changed, and I have to, of course, change all my packaging. But all of these designs, I hand draw them. I draw them with an ink pen. If you've never seen me do it, take a look at the rest of this YouTube channel. I have got a lot of me drawing out there. So I do not purchase these anywhere. I hand draw everything that you see. And you can see they're a very high grade photopolymer. And all of our stamps are made in the United States. It's one of the things I'm extremely proud of. I think that, you know, focusing on getting the stamps made here in the United States where there's a lot of laws on how these stamps are made just keeps everyone safe, and I'm very proud that they're made here in my country. I love these fishing stamps. So where do you go find them? Well, they're out on our website, just JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and you can see there's all these little headers, and the one you want to go to is just stamps, and you can see the stamps collection. And in here is everything we have available. Now, we are in the process of redesigning all kinds of new stamps, and I've got some really exciting news that I just have to wait a couple more days to announce. But new dog stamps are coming. I have been working on those. Some of the breeds you might see in our new launch could be some new corgis, some new pugs, some huskies, and some other designs. Maybe a Chihuahua set or two. But All of our clear stamps are high-grade photopolymer. Basically add them to your cart and you can check out. Absolutely love them. We do have some stamps that are under clearance, so just know that that is something that is available as well. And a lot of the clearance stamps may be one-offs where I did testing. So other things we offer on our websites, we also have digital stamps. Digital stamps allow you the opportunity to go out and purchase right away, download, and start creating immediately. You don't have to wait. So they are available and stock rotates often. So be sure to check back. Basically, if you're looking for a digital, you go and download it. It is for personal use only. You're not buying the rights to this image. If you wanted to use it for commercial use, please email me. We do offer a license for that. Cards. I do sell some of my sample cards. I make a lot of cards to show off my designs, and I do a lot of one-offs for our YouTube channel. So if you are looking for an original card that I made, please go take a look at that. Swag. We have a ton of stuff out there now. I'm so excited. We've got this cute little Brentwood coffee cup, which is one of my favorites. It was from the Coffee Lovers blog hop many years ago. We've got right now just our Dachshund. I love this. It's like an all-over wiener dog shirt, like in a bun. It's actually really cute. One of my favorites. We also have this beautiful Cancer butterfly shirt, and the colors of each butterfly stand for different cancers. We've also got some hologram laminated vinyl stickers, which are super fun for, you know, putting up on your computer or in your collection. We also have Rapunzel stickers, some Brentwood owls, some corgis. This one's really cute. I've seen a couple of people actually who have purchased these and put them on their computers. Totally fun. And then we also have a couple of pins. We've got, this one is actually a true enamel pin. So it's actually metal. And people love it. It's one of our favorites. It's our Brentwood logo with our little pirate parrot. We also have an About Us section so you can get to know me a little bit more. Our Angel Policy Press. We have been just completely blessed. We've been in Oprah Magazine, tons of amazing blogs and vlogs. We have our really fun blog that you can go take a look at, all of our current things that we've been doing. And we also now, for 2020, we added in gift cards. And so we're going to go ahead and leave that up on our website. And you can purchase whatever denomination you want. And those you can actually ship by email to whomever is looking for them. Now, one other thing I do, it's not up on our website, but if you were looking for it, you could always toss me an email. I do custom portraits as well in my style. This is one of our dogs who actually passed away this last year. So thank you so much for watching. I have a ton of new content. My goal is to go through and get some of these basics out of the way because I get a lot of questions about, well, what do we offer? Who are we? Show me a little bit more. So more content is coming. I do thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, be sure to click that little rotating circle and subscribe. I'd love to see you around again soon. Take care, everybody.